So as you can see over here, right, with ClickBank affiliate marketing and Google pay-per-click ads with a new ClickBank account in the new niche with info products, we had the results, as you can see over here, $12,000, $8,000, $5,000, right? But the most important thing, as you can see over here, right, so you can learn from my mistakes. You can see, right, $300 in one day only, and here 1,000, 1,002, 1,004, right? And the reason why I'm showing this is because so you can avoid the mistake that I did. So basically, I let one day pass by not tracking my stats. So over here, you can see, right, I had really low day, but over here, the results are way better because we are tracking everything correctly. And first of all, you have to know who is your audience on a deeper psychological level, emotional level. Why? Because when you're running ads, it's all about emotional states of your audience, right? Males, female audiences. So it's really important what kind of targeting you have. And with Google pay-per-click ads, it's all about buyers' clicks, basically buyers' intent. What I mean by that, it means you need to have the right structure of ads, okay? Not just the framework, but the structure when it comes to buyers' intent, because we are looking to target only buyers. So we don't want to waste our time and money with curiosity clickers, because most of gurus online are teaching you in their courses the outdated methods that used to work years ago in 2019, but in 2025, 2026, it doesn't work anymore the same way as it used to. So if you want to have at least 350, 500, even $1,000 days with ClickBank affiliate marketing, even if you have never made a dime online, even if you have lost money in the past, you can still make it happen, okay? Once you have someone who can help you, as you can see over here, one-on-one, step-by-step along the way, so you can actually convert with buyers' clicks and have results. So as you watch this video right now, you can connect with me one-on-one. There is my email, my WhatsApp number, my Facebook Messenger, and my personal number in the comments below. So I mean, in the description below, you can find me, but only if you're serious and if you want to take it further and actually start having sustainable results with ClickBank affiliate marketing.